Hey guys, it's Kevin here. Welcome to the channel. I review all kinds of products. So if you are new, please do hit that subscribe button and help my channel out. So today's product I'm here to share with you is a wireless controller for the Nintendo Switch. I have a lot of controllers, and lately I've been having more issues with the actual Nintendo Pro controllers with the dreaded drift problems. So I've been kind of picking up various controllers and trying them out and seeing which one is kind of my favorite and what, the different uses for them. So this is the controller I picked up. It's from Amazon. I'll include a link if you want to check it out. It's a good price, about half the price of the actual official licensed Nintendo controller. It comes in this straightforward box. And then when you open it up, you're going to get a little instruction page that kind of tells you the features. If you need this, you really don't. And then you're going to get the controller itself. And you're going to get a USB Type-C cable, which this is kind of nice because there's a lot of controllers I was coming across which use the old adapter, which is kind of annoying considering everything on the Switch is Type-C. So it's nice to have that they have the same cable. All right, so we'll get into the controller itself. The weight, it's not as heavy as the traditional Pro controller, but it does hold its charge. So this does seem to last a long time, which was kind of a problem I was running with some of the other controllers, is the batteries were wearing out quicker. This does last for a lot of gameplay, which is nice. It has down here the two kind of rubber grips. Of course, it has the colors of red and blue. The joysticks are nice and tight, and they hold up well. So, which certain games, if you're playing, that's important. And then the trigger buttons on the back I like because your hands naturally rest between them, and it's easy to hit them. As you can see, this is where you charge it. And then down here is where the lights positions. All the rest is pretty straightforward. Now, here's your plus and minus button, and then your home button, and then this little O is for the camera capture if you're using that. And then they have this T button, which is for turbo. Now, I don't really use this a lot, but I could see how some gamers would probably like that. Is if you are wanting to, like, for example, if you're in a game and you're running and you kind of have to hold down a button, you can hold down whatever button you choose, press the T turbo button, and then it like locks that action in place. So it thinks you're holding down the button all the time. So it's kind of a neat feature if you are looking for some ease there. But yeah, that's kind of it with this. It does come with rumble mode, which I would say the rumble is a lot stronger than the traditional Pro controller. Now, what it does not have is it does not have the NFC control, so you can't, use an Amiibo here and call that into like a game like Animal Crossing or something like that. You would still have to use one of the Nintendo products. But for the price, to me, that is a sacrifice worth it. And I've been very happy with it, and so I would totally check it out if you guys are in the market for a new controller. Like I said, I will include information in the description and a link on where you can pick this up on Amazon. And then feel free to hit me up in the comments. I do typically respond and answer any questions or anything like that. And until the next video, you guys take it easy. Later. You, my friend, are awesome, because you made it to the end of the video. Now, if you want to be a true legend in my eyes, please hit that subscribe button. And in the meantime, if you want to check out some other videos, I would appreciate it. Till the next review, you guys take it easy.